Just a quick notice before the video starts. I'm sorry if I do not sound my normal self. It's just I haven't had the best 2 weeks at school recently, and also I've had to remove a YouTube video off my channel for, well, difficulties. So I just hope you enjoy the video and stay tuned for more. Hello everybody, Ryan David here, and this is another React video. This one was brought up by a comment down here. Oh, I hope that shows up in editing. It's a react to the Markiplier Gifs with sound or GIFs. I don't know how you pronounce that, but yeah. Get this react ready. I'll steal it. What?
In their tongue, he's no fucking.
Dragon Ball. Oh my, I think that was one of his drunk Minecraft series, I'm not quite sure. Game of Thrones theme, I think.
Ass, titties, ass and titties, ass, titties, titties, ass and titties.
Whatever. Alright, Mark. Yeah. Oh my god.
Drop it.
I love that song, sorry. Mark? Oh, hi Mark. Jaws supplier, we're gonna call you. What's that? Okay, Mark, you're getting a bit too close for my comfort zone. Ah, that's much better. Dennis, I'm going to impersonate that.
Shave it free, be nice and clean. Shave every day and you'll always look keen.
So yes, I'm Miami. Are you okay, Mark?
Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed.
That's me literally every day before school. How do you even do that? Joker? Right, now let's react to part 2. After all, that first part was just literally hilarious. Kill Bill? Total mind F word.
Me gusta porque está linda, gusta porque está bella, gusta demasiado bella, gusta.
What the hell? Okay, that's catchy.
Buy it, use it, break it, fix it, trash it, change it, melt, upgrade it.
Turn it, burn it, zoom it, press it, snap it, work it, quick erase it. Mark is now the official Epic Sax Guy 2.0. How do you do that? I know it's a loopable clip, but what?
No, 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 no!
What the hell? The Fall Slender Man. I think that was Wade, I'm not quite sure. Don't worry, Mark, that's me every day at school. Not this song. You know, I'm gonna join him. Alright, I've lost on that one. It's that song. Yes, that makes you crazy. Let me try that. Okay. How do you do that? Oh my gosh, man.
I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't. I feel good.
My name is Bond. James Bond.
Now lose it. Just lose it.
Oh my god. Alright.
Crazy.
Something bothering you, Mark? Bonus. Oh my god. I'm sorry if my laugh sounds weird, but it's just that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh my, his arm looks bent there. Do it. Oh my god! That made me jump. Part 3. Okay, they've been really good so far. I wonder what number 3 is like. Alright, that first one's pretty good to be fair. What? I guessed it. But Mark, I'm British. Look at his face. You don't... What? You watch me at night? Markiplier them. What was that? And that. Markiplier's a scat man now. No, I'm sorry. But he looks mad. And now, funny gaming moments with music.
I believe I can fly.
Oh. That's Yummy Mash. Yummy Mash, sorry, I don't know how.
Gotcha.
Screw gravity.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hey guys, check out my new camera. Oh wait, this isn't the
Oh
camera.
god.
Fantastic point of view.
I can tell this episode's going to be long.
I wanna thank you.
Mark. Okay, that was actually pretty good, that first bit. Come on!
I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it.
What did I ever do to you, Mark? What are you saying that to me?
Trust me, I'm an engineer. I think we put this right here. Trust me,
I'm an engineer.
What the fuck did just happen here?
What's this? What's this? There's something very wrong. What's this? Is people singing songs?
So far, these gifs are really good. I'm sorry if I don't look like, you know.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so
Mark!
like a diamond.
What's this about? That's much better, Markiplier. I preferred you like that more than your dark and disturbing version.
I'm a bird, mother. I'm a bird.
Oh, it's this song. Rock that body, Mark. That wasn't meant to be a gay comment. Don't look at me like that. Oh, it's gone. It's actually funny looking how much Mark has aged, to be fair. That's another thing to know. Is that it? Oh, what's this? Special bonus!
Gangnam Style.
What the hell was that?
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Oh god.
Gangnam Style.
He doesn't sound very happy, does he?
Gangnam Style.
Oh my goodness.
It's there.
Oh my god. Oh. Is that from Killzone something?
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. My ding-ding-dong.
not this song. Back in black. Loving the dance intro. I forgot that actually existed, to be fair.
Nighttime, daytime, nighttime, daytime, nighttime, daytime. Mr. Lover, 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 now Mr. Lover, 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 girl. Mr. Lover, 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 This is Sparta!
Oh, Bob. Oh, I nearly missed that one. He's gonna eat the camera at one point. Oh no.
What the fuck?
It's this song, how does it?
I'm so fresh, you can suck my nuts. I'm so fresh, you can suck my nuts. Swear, I'm so fresh, you can suck my nuts. I'm so fresh, you can suck my nuts. She's a maniac, maniac. I'm love.
Oh my god.
And she dances like she's never danced before.
I'm gonna weird laughing something.
Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh.
What's he? No, you're okay. You're okay. Ah, it's over. Okay, in all honesty, they were pretty cool, to be fair. Anyway, see you in the next video, and goodbye for now.